Crazy moment. Going e85. Got me an Acuity or Acuity, whatever. Acuity. Cold air intake. Battery lubrication joint. I'm gonna drop it off to my dudes out in Highland. I've been doing all the work to my car. And I got, what is it? My appointment is the 15th of April for my dyno. So we'll see what numbers we can pull in. So I'm gonna take a little video of a ride up. Dude, it's harsh to live here with this car. Here we go. Yo.
Get no sleep to the 8. Ain't no my glizzy, I feel the love how they chop a crop. I'm showing you how I operate, not come live like the top. Wait, I showed you how I operate, not come get with the gang. Just going on the club, I gotta go work on your eye.
If they're not waiting for me on the other side, I'd be surprised. Not bad, like them already. Precisely. Made it. I'm ready to blow. They keep blaming me for body. What I'm just doing. Thing going all a bad bitch. Only stimulus checks here, boys. Help me. Help me.
Monster kill. 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 Kill.
Alright? I'd rather be like, yo, you in there? I'm ready to get a fucking corn fed, Ricky. It was nice riding pump gas with you. Let's make this real. Find this key drop. Those that don't know, this is the man that has done all the work to my car for a while. Good guy. Whew. All right, buddies. Here's the E85. All right, some fiend is watching right now. Man, uneasy, bro. I put every single stimulus checks from Donald Trump to Joe Biden into this car. See if we can make some fucking numbers, baby. Apparently, my boy says I was pulling him on this rig. Stay tuned, as I usually say.
Hello?
These are the days for change.
Me all the time, dude. I think I turn every damn oil.
That guy had a fucking bogey in his mouth, just looking over his shoulder like, that was cool. Nothing new to report here.